Hello guys, I'm back with my channel and today I'll unbox a straightener, Ikonic straightener. So go and check out the video, and the link of the straightener you will get in the description box. So go and check out.
Guys, this is the straightener. This is a professional Ikonic straightener with curler. So here it goes. So here the manual, some other products of Ikonic. It's a warranty card too. It's a have a 1 year warranty period, and this is the straightener. So how it's open? This is the cord, and this is the straightener. So here it goes. So it's too much premium outside the look, and this is the cord. It's too long cord, and this is a warning because it's a electronic product. So this is the manual. You can see this is the on and off. This is the temperature control, and this is the plate, stainless steel plate for straightening, and it can also do a curl too. So you can check, and this is the branding for Ikonic Professional, and let's go and check it how it works. So let's go. So guys, check out this, how it straightens the hair. So look at this, it's too good. Can check this, just wow. Can check this, literally it's wow. So guys, this is how the straightener curls. So check out this.
Yes, check.
So guys, this is all about the straightener unboxing. So please like and comment and do subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for the another video. Thank you.